Good morning. My name is Manjit Prabhakar. I am back on my YouTube channel Innovative Solutions with a new topic on coronavirus. That is why two variants of corona were spread in the world, what is the motive behind it, and how deadly these are. Today we will do a detailed analysis of this. The kind of havoc corona has created in the world is unprecedented. Almost all the countries are suffering with this pandemic. Economies of developed countries are sliding down. Even the highly developed in health infrastructure are not able to handle the patients' inflow. Graveyards are left with no space. People and business are under lockdown. Nobody has ever thought of this kind of global scenario. But the most serious thing is nobody knows when this nightmare will end. When we analyze the barometer data of COVID-19 of infected and deaths, a lot of interested facts come into the limelight and point finger towards the well-crafted strategy behind spread of this virus globally to benefit one country. COVID-19 is one virus with two variants, designed, developed and spread to different countries to serve two different objectives. These two corona variants are known as virus strains. Strain L, which is a very deadly version, initially spread in Wuhan at the end of the Chinese New Year, so that carriers unknowingly carry it with them when they usually travel to Europe and US in this period. This virus strain spreads very fast in cold conditions and has a death rate of 12 to 15%. If we look at its effect, it has not only halted the industrial and economic activities in these highly developed countries, but also shattered the myth of excellent health infrastructure of these countries. While demand and prices had touched its lowest level, share markets have crashed down heavily. Government had single point agenda of protecting its citizens. Strain S variant of COVID-19 spread is much less in comparison to strain L and has a death ratio of 0.5 to 1% only. This strain was targeted towards oil-rich countries of Middle East and Russia, whose economies mainly thrive on oil production, to benefit the country who developed it with reduced oil import cost. There are some theories about strain S being mutation of strain L in hot conditions, but this theory got busted for Russia, which is a large oil producing country and has extreme cold conditions. They have a large number of cases with mortality rate of 0.8% only. In India, total infected as on today are approximately 30,000 and death toll is around 1,000. This works out to be 3.2%. When we analyze these figures state-wise, it is observed that state of Punjab, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh, the death rate is 5 to 6%. As people from these states have a travel history to Europe and America and are found with L strain of virus. Whereas state of Kerala, where people have travel history to Middle East, death rate is less than 0.8% and are found with S strain in almost all the cases. This data indicate that there are probably two variants of virus developed to work in different countries to carry out different specific objectives. Now it is still to be seen if same vaccine will take care of both the strains of the virus or we have to double our effort in developing it. Another factor which will get cleared when this virus has to encounter extreme climate conditions of hot and humid in July and August after arrival of monsoon. Prediction is that hot and humid condition will suppress it to a great extent, but it will resurface in September. Most of the people think when the vaccine will be available, then corona will vanish, but this is a half truth, as vaccine will only prevent new cases but will not cure the existing ones, which by the end of the July are estimated to touch approximately 3 to 5 crores. In my opinion, herd immunity development is the only option. Our next video will cover this subject in great detail. Please subscribe to our channel so that moment we upload new video, you get the notification. Thanks.